Someone is working in a spreadsheet with dates, statuses, totals, and empty columns, trying to figure out the right formula while the work keeps slowing down. Writing spreadsheet formulas can slow you down when you know what you want the sheet to do, but not how to write it. Today, I'll show you how AI can help turn that task into a formula you can test and use. Usually, you search online for a formula, copy one that looks close, paste it into your spreadsheet, and hope it works. Then, you get an error. Or the formula runs, but the result is wrong. So, instead of finishing the task, you end up guessing formulas and troubleshooting them. That usually happens because you are starting with formula options before clearly defining the task. Before you use AI, gather 3 things: what you want the sheet to do, which columns are involved, and what the correct result should look like. For example, you might want column D to show overdue when the date in column B has passed and the status in column C is not complete. Now, instead of searching for formula options, give AI the task, the columns, and the result you want, and let it create a first draft you can test. Place that into your approved AI assistant. Ask it to write the formula for Excel or Google Sheets. Then paste the formula into one test row. Check if the result is correct. If it is wrong, give AI the error message or the incorrect result and ask it to revise the formula. Once it works, apply the final version to the rest of the spreadsheet. AI can help you create the formula faster, but you are still responsible for the result. Before using it across your spreadsheet, test it on a few rows first. Make sure the logic works, the cell references are right, and the output matches what you actually need. AI works better when you explain the job the spreadsheet needs to do. When the task is clear, it can generate a formula that is much closer to what you actually need. Remember, start with the task you want the spreadsheet to do. Let AI create the first formula. Review before using it across your sheet. What task should we tackle next? Subscribe to AI can help for simple workflows you can use right away.